know, I have no idea what's going to be in this box this month. Normally I check ahead or I look for spoilers, and I haven't had any time to do that, you guys. So truthfully, I don't know what's going to happen for our BeautyFix today, but I hope it's a good box. Hey beautifuls, welcome back per usual. Today we're going to do an unboxing of my BeautyFix box from Dermstore. Now this is the subscription box that comes out every single month, and usually we have mostly skincare products inside of it. I say usually because every once in a while we'll get a lot of hair care or a lot of makeup in it. But for the most part, this is a skincare subscription. So if you guys are interested in this box, I will post a link down below. Dermstore has partnered up with me to offer you guys a 15% off discount code. That code works on almost everything on their website, but it does include this subscription box. And I know it's gonna say not valid for any other codes, but just try it anyways. It will go through and it'll save you a little bit of money off of your order. But this is the June 2025 box that I have here today. This box is currently shipping, so if you order in the month of June, this is exactly what you're going to receive. We all get the same boxes every month. They do not allow customization. They don't have like different variations out there, different options. We all just get the same products each month. But usually it's a pretty good box. So this is always one that I recommend if you like skincare and you want a skincare subscription. I will always include this in my top 3. And I like the fact that you get full size and sample sizes inside of this box. So it's a good mixture. So for June, we have a full box here. This is what it looks like. This is gonna be a good month, you guys. Woo, phew. Okay, see, like I said, I didn't know what to expect, but that looks good. So first item inside of our box is a full-size product from Avène. This is their Eczema Calming Relief Balm. So it's designed for eczema-prone skin, but it will help relieve minor itching and irritation, but it's also going to give you hydration and maintain balanced skin. I love that there's something in here for eczema. Maybe it's just me, but I feel like everybody deals with eczema at some point, or you know somebody. Like, I just feel like, at least where I'm at, everybody has this issue. I don't know, I feel like it's a fairly common skin condition. This one is 100 ml or 3.3 ounces. It's fragrance free and steroid free. It also mentions that the National Eczema Association approves of this product. I didn't even know there was an eczema association. That was new. Is there an association for everything? Like, I mean, seriously, like, now I'm curious. Now that I know there's an eczema association, I mean, is there an acne association I should know about? Like, I feel like I'm in the wrong group. So this retails for $20 if you were going to purchase it. You can buy it on the Dermstore website, but you can also find it in other places. This mentions, again, that it will last for 48 hours, but it's also dermatologist and pediatrician approved and tested. So that's another awesome thing. So actually, you could probably use this on kids, but maybe you want to check with, you know, your pediatrician, but I think that's a cool thing that they approve it. There's also a little bit of BeautyStat in here as well. This is the Triple Plump Coconut Milk Serum. So it is full size once again. Great brand. It's been around for a while, but they are a little bit more pricey of a brand, so getting it inside of the subscription box, always a win. There is hyaluronic acid, coconut complex. It is fragrance free, and then they also mention that it is dermatologist tested and cruelty free. So this serum is designed to give you hydration and a glowiness to your skin. It's also going to plump your skin as well. So they have hyaluronic acid in here and also this coconut complex, whatever that is, I'm not quite sure. But then they state that it is fragrance free, it's cruelty free, dermatologist tested as well. So it's supposed to be a multi-purpose skincare product. It's gonna do lots of different things. So not only does it give you glowing skin and hydration, but it also fights off like the wrinkles and then plumps the skin as well. So full-size bottle that we have here, this comes in at $42 if you wanted to purchase it. And that's why I say it's a little bit more expensive of a product, but getting it in a subscription box that is only $25 a month, that's a way better deal. And if you use my discount code, obviously your box will be cheaper than that as well. So, you know, even better deal. I forgot to mention this at the outset, but if you decide to try this subscription out, try and get a subscription plan that is 3 months or longer, because my discount code works on that entire plan. So on the 3-month plans, you can actually get this box down to $20. So instead of buying, a $40 skincare product, just get a $20 subscription box. But if you want that product, you have to order in June in order to get it. That's the only thing, is it is June contingent. Okay, so next product is coming from Babor. I feel like we've been seeing this brand a lot lately, not just in this subscription, but it feels like Babor is really getting their products out there, and as they should, because they work. These are great. So these are serum concentrates. They have different features for all of their serums. This particular one is focusing on the perfect glow. So it has vitamin C in it, and it will brighten up your skin. So this will give you an instant glow. Wrinkles will appear to be reduced, and your skin will be firmer. Also, your pores are going to be a little bit smaller after using this serum. So it is a full-size product that we have here, 100% vegan. It's cruelty-free as well. This one comes in at $45. It's actually the most expensive item in our box today. The next item that we have in here is from Oribe. We got a little bit of hair care here. This is the Supershine Moisturizing Cream. It's not just a little bit of shine. We're going for a super shine. 15 mil or half an ounce. This one is our deluxe sample size. Believe it or not, I have seen smaller, so I know this is a deluxe version. But it's enough for you to try it out a handful of times, but it will give you that super shine for your hair, making it really healthy. It's a cream formula, so it's kind of like a lotion that you just, put through your hair. This comes in at $10 for this exact size. No, this is not the same size. $10 for the 0.34 ounce, but this is half an ounce. But isn't this more than that then? Right? Isn't 0.5 is more than 0.34? So apparently this is worth more than a little, no, this is, I'm getting so confused, I can't even think in English. I think this is worth more than $10, if I'm doing math correctly, but now I'm really doubting myself and I don't know what's happening. Regardless, this is a leave-in hair conditioner that will give you this super shine. It's also going to give you hydration, so it calms down frizz for your hair too. Sometimes you just gotta laugh and roll with it, you guys. I don't know what's going on, but you just go with it. Additionally, we have the Mineral Cream Sunscreen in here. This is from MD Solar Sciences. The expiration date is March of 2026. For a second, I thought that was a 5. And I was like, did they send us an expired sunscreen? But they didn't. So we're good. We got a year to use this. This one is their sample size, and it's 10 mil or 0.34 ounces. Did I read the wrong one? No. I read the right one. Okay, we're good. I am so confused today. So SPF 50 for this. Fragrance-free, cruelty-free. $6 is what this retails for, this sample size, if you were gonna buy it. It mentions that it will protect you from UVA and UVB. It will not have a white cast to it, and it also protects against blue light. Last up for today, we also have another sunscreen. Well, that's strange. Why did we get 2 sunscreens? I mean, I know we need sunscreen, but 2 in the same box seems like a bit much. This is their SPF 50. And it's from Roche-Posay. I don't know if I said that. I don't think I did. I'm still just, off track now. Like, ever since I got confused with the other product, I'm still off it. Okay, so SPF 50 for La Roche-Posay. This one is their Daily Invisible Sunscreen, and it says it is 5 mil of product, and it retails for $5. Because I know this will come up. People will be like, why on earth would you ever spend $5 on a sample like this? The thing is they're basing this off of when you get the full-size bottles, they're gonna break it down by ounce of what you're paying off of that. And that's how they're getting to those numbers. It doesn't necessarily mean that you would go into the store and actually buy this by $4 or $5. But, ooh, that's how much it would cost if you broke it down. I don't know what's happening today. I feel like I'm failing at my job though. Maybe we should just end this now before I get too carried away. So that is everything inside of our BeautyFix for June. Comment down below, you guys. Let me know, what did you think of this box today? Let's not review the unboxing because I already know I'm kind of a mess. But I think the box is really good. So I love the fact that we got 3 full-size items, and we also got 3 travel size or sample sized items. This is, I think it's still too early to compare this to the Allure Beauty box because that box has been around longer than the BeautyFix box has been, right? So it's not quite fair yet, But I have noticed improvements with BeautyFix where they're definitely making changes just like Allure did when they were at this age. So I feel like this box could be really good. Like, give it a couple more years. Not that this isn't good as it is, but I think it could be really great in a few years because Allure is at one of its best peaks right now. And I just think this box will be up and coming just like that. So if you want to try out this June box, I've got a link down below along with that discount code. And then like I said, you can get full-size products in here for way cheaper than what it would be to purchase them. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day. And I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!